So how do you solve problems like these? Okay, the first thing you're gonna do is take the first number of this 3x3 matrix. And the first number here in this matrix we can see is 1. Okay, no, before that what you're gonna do is deduce the signs of the individual numbers in the matrix, whether or not they're positive or negative. So I'll give you a shortcut. The first number of the matrix of a 3x3 matrix is always positive. So the first number here, that is 1, is going to be positive. And the second number, which is 2, is going to be negative. So if we show it here, the first number is positive, second number is negative, third number is positive, fourth number is negative, fifth number is positive, sixth number is negative, and the pattern continues. And that's how you deduce the signs of the individual numbers in the matrix. But you don't need to do all of them. For this 3x3 matrix and the solution for this 3x3 matrix, you don't need to do all of them, just the first 3 is sufficient. So let's show how to solve this now. After deducing the signs, you're going to take the first number of the matrix. So here you can see is 1. So we're going to take the first number, that is 1, and we're going to cut out the numbers below it and the numbers beside it. And then the numbers remaining, this is 1, 1, 3, 2, the numbers remaining, we're going to use the 2x2 matrix method. That is, we're going to multiply 2 and 1, and we're going to multiply 1 and 3. So after multiplying 2 and 1, we're going to get 2, and then multiplying 1 and 3, we're going to get minus 3, and this whole thing will be multiplied by the number you chose, that is 1. And once again, we're going to take the second number, and that is 2 over here, and 2 is negative. So we're going to take 2, and we're going to cut out all the numbers below it and all the numbers beside it. And the numbers remaining, we carry out the 2x2 matrix method. That is, we multiply 2 and 2. And so that's going to be 4. And then we multiply 3 and 1. That's going to be 3. And just in case you're wondering what's the 2x2 matrix method, just go check out my other video where I showed how to solve 2x2 matrix. And okay, so getting back to the video, after multiplying, after we carried out this multiplication, you're going to once again multiply this whole operation with the number you chose. And you chose 2. So, and 2 is negative. So it's going to be it's going to be negative 2 multiplying this operation. And once again, we're going to take the third number, and that is 4. Cut out the numbers below, cut out the numbers beside, and multiply 2 and 3 first. So it's going to be plus 4, multiplying 2 into 3 is 6, and 3 into 1 is 3, so it's going to be minus 3. And now carrying out the whole operation, we get minus 1, and this is going to be minus 2, and this was going to be plus 12. This is going to be 12 minus 3, which is going to be equal to 9. And that's our answer. So let's check out another example to help understand better. And I'll leave this up to you as well. Pause the video and try to solve it, and then resume the video to see the solution. So let's take another matrix. Let's take 1, 2, 4, 6, 7, 3, 5, 8, 9. Alright, first thing we're going to do, deduce the signs, and the sign, as I said, the first number is always positive, second number negative, third number positive, plus minus, the pattern continues. So we're going to take the first number, 1, multiply it, cut out the rest of the numbers, multiply 9 and 9, which is going to be 81, minus 3 into 8, which is going to be 24. And then once again, take the 6 and carry the whole process. I'm not going to write out another matrix. I'll just try to use this matrix even though it has lines on it to solve. Okay. So we will take the second number, 6, minus 6, and this will multiply. We're going to cut out the numbers below it, 9 and 3. Cut out the numbers beside it, 5 and 1, and multiply 2 and 9 that I can see here, which is going to be 18, and 4 into 8, which is going to be 32. Okay, let me just try to create this. Wait, let me just try to remove the lines. In the meantime, you try to do it yourself. Okay. One, 6, 5, 2, 9, 8, and 4, 3, 9. Okay. All right. So then what we're gonna do is that we're gonna take the third number, that is plus 5, because it's plus here, and we're gonna multiply it with, cut out the numbers below, cut out the numbers beside, 2 into 3, which is 6, minus 4 into 9, which is 36. Okay. All right, 81 minus 24. Let me just use my calculator because I'm just a bit too lazy. Okay, 81 minus 24. Okay, that's 57. And then minus 6, 18 minus 32 multiplied by 6 is minus 84. And then 36, 6 minus 36 multiplied by 5 is minus 150. So the final result will be 57 minus plus 150 is going to be 177, minus 177. I'll leave you guys an exercise, so comment down the answer below to let me know what you got. And the matrix is going to be 0, 2, 3, 4, 8, 7, 1, 1, 4. Let me know the answer below in the comments section, and I'll see if I can solve in the video, inshallah, and let you guys know the answer.